So length of major axis is 26 here. Then foci plus or minus 5 comma 0. Therefore, in this case, foci plus or minus 5 comma 0 point lies on x-axis here because y coordinate is 0. So here foci plus or minus 5 0 lies on x-axis here. Therefore, equation of the ellipse is of the form. Therefore, equation of the ellipse is of the form x square by a square plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1 where a is greater than b. If a greater than b, then x-axis becomes a major axis here. Therefore, here it is a plus or minus a comma 0. Okay, and here length of the major axis means 2a. 2a is equal to 26. So length of major axis 2a is equal to 26 here. Therefore, a value is 13 here. A is equal to 13. And foci plus or minus a comma 0 is equal to plus or minus 5 comma 0. Therefore, a into e is equal to 5. Into e is equal to 5. Then we know that here. We know that. So for this ellipse here, so b square is equal to a square into 1 minus of e square here. Take a square inside the bracket here. So a square minus of a square e square. A value 13. So 13 square. A into e is a 5. It is a 5 square here. 169 minus of 25 is equal to 144 here. Therefore, the value of b is equal to 12. So use a value 13, b value 12 in this equation here. Take this one as equation number 1a. Therefore, 1 becomes equation 1 becomes x square divided by 13 square plus y square divided by 12 square is equal to 1a. That is x square by 169. Then plus y square divided by 144 is equal to 1a. Here x-axis is the major axis here because foci lies on x-axis. So here length of the major axis is 16 here. Foci 0 plus or minus 6 here. So here foci 0 plus or minus 6 means point lies on y-axis here. Therefore, lies on y-axis. Equation of the ellipse is in this form where a is less than b. Then the length of the minor axis is 2a is equal to 16. Therefore, a is equal to 8 here. The value of a is 8. Next, foci. So 0 plus or minus b into e is equal to 0 plus or minus 6 here. Therefore, b into e is equal to 6 here. E into e is equal to 6. Therefore, we know that. So a square is equal to b square into 1 minus of e square. For this ellipse here, this is the formula. Take a b square inside here. So a square is equal to b square minus of b square e square here. A value 8. 8 square is equal to b square minus of 6 square here. So 8 square becomes 64 is equal to b square minus of 36 here. Take 36 at this side here. So 64 plus 36 is equal to b square here. Hence b square is equal to 100. Therefore the value of b is 10 here. Value of b is 10. So use in equation 1 here. Therefore equation 1 becomes here x square divided by 8 square plus y square divided by 10 square is equal to 1 here. That is x square divided by 64 plus y square divided by 100 is equal to 1 here. So this is the equation of the ellipse. So in this case, foci plus or minus 3 comma 0 and a is equal to 4 here. So foci lies on x axis here because y coordinate 0. So foci plus or minus 3 comma 0 lies on x axis here. Therefore, equation of the ellipse is of the form x square divided by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 here. Here a is greater than b. Here a is greater than b. Therefore, foci in this case here, foci plus or minus a into e comma 0 is equal to plus or minus 3 0. Therefore, here a into e is equal to 3. And given that a value 4 here, therefore we know that so b square is equal to a square into 1 minus of e square here. Therefore a square minus of a square e square, then a value 4, so write here 4 square minus a into e is a 3 here, so 3 square, so 4 square is a 16 here and 3 square is a 9 here, it gives a 7. So b square is equal to 7, then the b value is root 7 here. So use a and b values here. Okay, they are already given a value 4 here. So using this equation, therefore take this one as equation number 1 here. So equation 1 becomes x square divided by 16 plus y square divided by 7 is equal to 1 year. So this is the answer here. Okay. In this case, center at origin, major axis on y axis here, and are passing to the point 3, 2 and 1, 6 here. Therefore, equation of ellipse here. Equation of ellipse is x square divided by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 here. In this case, a is less than b because major axis on y axis here. Then obviously a is less than b here. Since ellipse 1 passing to the point of 3 here, since ellipse 1 passing through the point of 3, 2 here. 3, 2. Therefore, output x value 3 and y value 2 here. So therefore, 3 square divided by a square plus 2 square divided by b square is equal to 1 here. So that is 3 squares are 9 here. 9 into p plus 2 squares are 4. 4 into q is equal to 1 here. Take this one as equation number 1 here, where 1 upon a square taken as a p here, 1 upon b square taken as a q here. Take a 1 by a square as a p. Therefore, 9 into p here. 1 by b square as a q here. So 4 into q is equal to 1. And so same ellipse. Ellipse 1 passing to the point 1, 6 here. So passing through the point 1, 6 here. Therefore, 1 square divided by a square plus 6 square divided by b square is equal to 1 here. That is 1 square is 1 only, but 1 by a square is a p. Therefore, it is a p here. 6 square is a 36. 36 into this q here is equal to 1 here. Take this one as equation number 3. Then solving 1 and 2 here. Solving equations 1 and 2 here. So there is a 9 p is there. Here only p. Therefore, multiply this equation by 9 here. Therefore, 9 into p plus 4 into q is equal to 1 here. Then 9 into p plus 36 into 9 here. Three 24. 324 is equal to 1 here. Then change the sign here. Minus and minus here. Then these two terms get cancelled, and here also multiply by 9 here. It is a 9. So 4 minus of 32 here, minus 28. Minus of 28 q here is a q. Right here 324 q is equal to 9 here. Okay, and 1 minus 9 becomes a minus of 8 years, minus 8. Okay, then take 8 to this side, and minus become plus here. Therefore, so Q is equal to 8 by 28 years. 8 divided by 28. 8 upon 28. Substitute this Q in the equation 2 years. Therefore, equation 2 becomes, therefore, equation 2 becomes, substitute this one here. Therefore, P plus 36 into 8 divided by 28 is equal to 1 year. Then 4 9s are and 4 7s are. Therefore, P plus 8 9s are 72 year divided by this is 7 is equal to 1 year. Then take 72 by 7, that's a year. So P is equal to 1 minus of 72 divided by 7 years. Actually, there is a 4 minus 324 is there. Therefore, 4 minus 324 becomes minus 320. Okay. So in this case, it is a minus of 320. Again, minus of 320. Then take a 320, that's again. So Q is equal to 8 divided by 320. Then 8 ones are 8, 40 are 8, 40 is there. Therefore, Q value 1 divided by 40. Then use Q is equal to 1 by 40 in the equation 2. Therefore, 2 becomes equation 2 becomes so P plus 36 into 1 divided by 40 is equal to 1 year. Then P plus we can simplify. So 4 9s are 36 here, 4 10s are. So 9 by 10. So 9 divided by 10 is equal to 1 year. Take a 9 by 10, that's it here. P is equal to 1 minus of 9 divided by 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 minus 9 becomes 1 year. So 1 divided by 10 years. So Q value 1 by 40 and P value is 1 by 10 years. Therefore, what is the P here? P is 1 by a square. 1 by a square is equal to 1 by 40 years. Therefore, 1 upon a square is equal to 1 divided by 40 and P is actually 1 by 10 here. So it is 1 by a square is equal to 1 by 10 plus the P value 1 by 10 here. And Q is 1 by B square, means 1 by B square is equal to 1 by 40. So 1 upon B square is equal to 1 divided by 40. Therefore, using the equation 1 is, therefore, equation 1 becomes x square divided by 10 plus y square divided by 40 is equal to 1 year. So this is the required equation of the ellipse here. So this is the next example here. In this case, I measure axis on x-axis passing through the point of 4, 3 and 6 here. So same procedure here. The final answer is x square by 52 plus y square by 13 is equal to 1 year, which is the required equation of the ellipse.